Hi guys, so today, Monday, and day off na ako. So, magluto kog pamahaw. Dugay ko kamata. Duula sa kamera, oy. Magluto kog pamahaw. Dugay ko nakamata. Gigutom na ko. Kay ning mata mo kog alas 4 kapino kay kung iro. So, magluto na ko. We're going to eat breakfast. So, I'm just gonna fry some turkey bacon. And here's my turkey bacon. So, I'm some. If day off na ako, no, dili ko mukaon og rice or breakfast. I tried to. I tried not to eat rice on kung day off na ako kay sige na ako ga rice everyday kung na ako trabaho. So, on my day off, gipaning kamutan jud na ako nga dili ko mukaon og rice kay you know na. So, let's start frying. Okay guys, magkuan ako kanang mag-fry na ko og bacon. Turkey bacon. So, I'll just put a little bitty olive oil kasi hindi nag-oil masyado tong turkey bacon kasi very lean sila. Ayan. So, I'll just put a little bitty oil just to, you know na, kapoy pag-explain. Char. So, I'll just fry for turkey bacon. Problema ani ron sa oni pag-abre. Kaya wala siya kuan. Sabi daw easy to open. Pero wala namang kuan kanang at ay meron pala. Najugo pala ako. Najugo pala to. Ako pala yung najugo. Half jugo ako, half jugo din to kasi tingnan nyo naman, pinapahirapan pa ako. So, I feel like why am I whispering though? I'm the only one in the house and then ako lang yung andito at saka yung aso ko. I don't know why if like I'm talking like I'm whispering. But anyway, mag-fry muna ako ng bacon guys ha kasi gutom na ako and I will talk to you later. Sarap ng buhay. What's up? You ready to get up? Come on, because mommy's frying some turkey bacon. Mommy's hungry. Ayan na yung bacon, guys. Yes, time check is 7:38 a.m. I have so many things to do today, grabe. I feel like I have daming gawain ngayon today. Kailangan maglaba, alam nyo na, pag day off, ang daming gagawin. Yun talaga ang buhay namin dito. Work at saka home lang. Minsan gala din naman. So, huwag nyo nang isipin yung bag na dyan. Kasi ano na yan. Basura lang to. Kukunin ko yan mamaya. Don't mind the basura there, okay? Ilagay ko lang dyan kasi ang daming ano. Kanabito ang kapuyan ako mo ato sa pikas room kay tuwa ditong basurahan. Nya tagalihok, I have to throw every time nga ako makita nga gamay sagbot ibutang. Ay, kapuyan ko pag ibutang nga ako ng silupin dira na. Kuwaon lang na ako niya. Our bacon is almost done. Oops. I hope this avocado is ripe enough. Avocado. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like this avocado is bad. It's hard and it's kind of, ooh, we'll see. Our bacon is done. Ooh. All right, bacon is done. I forgot to wear my apron. Baka madaot yung shirt natin. Madaot. Basta mapiskan siya og kuan kanang grease, oil. Madaot unya ba? Pero sige lang. Kaya nalimta na nato. Halangan man nato o i-click pa nato. Naluto lang. I feel like, hala, I don't understand this avocado. So the avocado is bad. So I can't be able to eat it. I thought it's good. What I'm gonna do? Cry? I guess I'll just have to move on. So I guess I'll eat the bacon on the top of the bread. That's it. Because I don't want to eat. Where's my dog? So, I guess wala akong avocado today. So, I'll just put this on the top of my bread. Usually, I put avocado, tomato or tomatoes. And then, yeah. But since my avocado is bad, and I thought the avocado is good, so I didn't buy avocado yesterday. So, I guess I'm just gonna eat it like this. It's okay. I can move on. So, mag-ano tayo ng tabliya. Char! Ayan, mag-ano tayo ng tabliya. Pang tabliya. Ano, masarap to sa, breakfast yung tabliya. Ayan, oh. So, I'll just put 1 tablet. Kasi, masyadong matamis pag dalawa. Kasi, ano na siya, kanang may sugar na siya. Hala. So, what did I do? Ay, hindi pala siya kailangan pa ba? Pabukalon man din siya daan. High na natin yan para madaling magbukal yung tubig. Madaling kumulo. or mag-boil. Kumulo. Chat ko yung mama ko. Are you my baby senior Bigo? Good morning. How was your sleep? I love you so much. Okay. Alright, I'm not disturbing you. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Good morning. Medyo malapit na siyang mag-boil, alay. Ayan o, tingnan nyo. So, I'm gonna drop the tablet now. The tablet, Tada! Ito, parang wala lang to. Turkey bacon lang itong nasa ibabaw. Kala ko kasi yung avocado okay pa, kaya hindi na ako bumili kahapon. So, this is what I'm gonna do. You just let it melted there. What do you want? Do you wanna go outside and pee? Use the bathroom? Alright, let's go. Come on, hurry up though, because I need to eat. I gotta eat, buddy. Mommy's hungry. Yeah. Come on, go, go. Go. Come on. Ang among drero. Come on, hurry up. Go. Why you so arty? Hala, gwapa kang limonsito. Yes, daghan na siya bunga. Pero kung kay yellow or light green, dili siya yung purong green. And then yung lemongrass, yan. Alagbati, tsaka talbos ng kamuti. Hoy, come on, let's go inside. Mommy's gonna eat. No, no, sir. No. Come on, let's go inside. Mommy's gonna eat first. Come on, go. Inside, please. No. Hala, you make mama angry, huh? Come on, go. Come on, go. No, let's go. Not listening, huh? Mga unat ha, naraong. Wala may avocado. Kaluoy sa ako ang kuwan, eh. Walay color. O may avocado. Di po na ako butangan og tomato without the avocado. So, ano lang atong kaon today? Pinubre nga kaon. O, diba? That's good though. And then, ito yung tablia natin. Ayan. Makita niyo ba? Ayan. So, that's it. I'm talking to my, to my Maring Rosie. Istorya ko sa akong Maring. Nag-vlog ko. Dookie boy, how can I clean the kitchen if you're there? Can you transfer here? Hala, you're not listening ba? Hoy, can you transfer there? Please. Transfer right here, please. Thank you very much. We're gonna clean the house. Okay, boy. All right, transfer right there. Come on. Okay, sit down. Sit. There you go. That's a good boy. Yes, sir. Good boy. Good job. I need to clean the kitchen. So, nanglaba akong bana gabi eh. So we're in our another bedroom right now where I put all the blankets and extra, it's like for winter or other extra clothes na fit dun sa other. It's okay. So ito yung ibang clothes ko. Yung iba yung pang winter talaga. Tingnan niyo, see? Ayan. Sobrang makapal. Masusuot ko to. I can only wear this during fall or winter season. So for this one, I'm gonna save this for now kasi baka may mga plano kami. Char. So, ganyan lang siya. And then I have another one right here. It's a dress again. And it's a all black and it's very pretty. Look. It has like lace yung style niya. And open back. So, I actually wear it na. So, there. Put it there. And then there is another one. This one is very sexy. Of course. See? It goes like that. So I can't wear it yet. I don't even know where I can wear this. Maybe when we go to the Philippines, I'll wear this there when we go to the resort. So I'm just gonna, actually, I'm just gonna hang it like this. And this one, it's new. It's actually a top. Look. So maybe in fall, I can wear this as a cardigan. So right now it's still too hot to wear this. So there. Nice siya, no? Cute lang. And then there's one, another dress. Ito yung dress na tawang-tawa yung asawa ko. Cause he asked me, why did I buy this? Hindi ko rin alam. Parang nagandahan, nakyutan lang din ako. Tapos binili ko. Ayan. Parang okay, I'm probably gonna wear it. I'm pretty sure I will. But I just don't know what occasion. Maybe when we go to vacation, I'll wear it. You know, sometimes I actually think like, if I wear this and people will look at me, I'm just gonna say like, I don't care what you think about this dress. I feel like I'm cute and pretty. I feel good about it. That's all it matters. Okay, let's go back. Who's this chewing his bone? OMG, what do you have? Is that your bone? Hi, is that your bone, my love? Huh? He's been following me. Is that your bone, huh? Is it good? Silly boy. Anong nangyari sa vacuum, do? Huh? What happened to the vacuum? Huh? Daddy should be here soon, so let's go water the plants. Okay? Come on, let's water the plants outside. Come on, let's go. Do you want to water the plant? Come on. Duke, where are you going? Come here. Hello, Mr. Duke, you're not listening ba? Why are you not listening? Come on, go back there. Go. Come on. Oi. No. Let's go on that side. Come on. So I can water the plant. I cannot see you here if you come this way. Come on. Stay on that side where I can see you. Hello, you're not listening? Oh, no. No? Look at this. Matino manon sa gusto. Hmm? Come on. Let's go. Come on. Duke! Ay, ang init pala dito ngayon. Come here. I'm gonna cut that thing, that hair. The extra hair on your paws. Come on. Let's go, buddy. Come here, please. Look at this boy. Come here. Let me see. Can I see it? Can I see the paw? Come here. Okay, we're just gonna do it here. All right. Come here. Can I see the paw? Come here. Come closer to mommy. Come here. Okay. Roll over. It's okay. It's not gonna hurt you, my love. It's all right. See? It's just extra hair. Okay. It's a quick cut. Quiet. Quiet. It's just extra hair. See? Okay. No. Stay. No, no. Be nice. Duke is a good boy. It's a very good boy. Yes, sir. You are a very good boy. See? It's just extra hair, Duke. That needs to be cut. That's it. That's all. It's not gonna hurt you, okay? You are a very good boy. See? Look at you. Very brave boy. It's okay. See? Let me see. That's a very brave boy. What a brave boy. Yes. Very brave man na kayo, eh. Very brave. Okay. It's just extra hair, buddy. It's not gonna hurt you. You are a very good boy. See? Okay, let me see. There. Okay, one more. Okay, can I see this one again? Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. You got a lot of extra hair. Shh, quiet. Come on, quiet. I know. Not gonna hurt you, but mommy won't ever hurt you. We need to vacuum your bed after. Okay? I know. What is that? Okay, almost done, my love. Almost done. Come on, almost done. Okay? Almost done. No. Almost done. All right, that's it. Good boy. Good job. Look at you. Now we need to vacuum this, okay? We're gonna vacuum this. Okay, buddy. Mommy will vacuum your bed. Yeah. Mommy will vacuum your bed. Time to vacuum this bed. Ouch. Okay. All right. Here I am. You okay? Right, buddy. Time to clean up your hotspot. I'm gonna clean up his hotspot so I can spray it. Okay. Okay, no. This is just for you. Come here. Come right here. And for now, I'm gonna chill and watch the news. Yep. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye.